Hey y'all, Tanny Cooks here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and delectable honey glazed pineapple. You can use it as a dessert or in a savory dish or on a burger. The options are endless, and what's special about this is that we're making it in the air fryer, so you know it's super easy. Let's get to cooking. So we're going to start off with a pineapple. I have a few. They're very ripe, so you just want to cut the top off the pineapple and it looks perfect on the inside. So I have this special kitchen tool that I have another video on showing you how to core the pineapple in rings. So it's pretty cool. Mine is made out of plastic. I got it from my grocery store, and you just twist it into the pineapple and you can see it coming out in rings. It does take a lot of arm work. It's not an electric tool, but it's kind of cool, kind of worth it. Only cost me a few dollars to get the rings to make a fresh pineapple instead of buying canned pineapple. So once you get the device twisted all the way to the bottom, you can pull out the handle. I did that to be sure I didn't break it. And you just want to pull the whole thing out of the shell. So I'm just twisting back and forth, and there you can see my rings. A couple of pieces were overripe, so I didn't use those, but if you don't have a tool to core it, you can simply use a knife to cut your pineapple into spears. This pineapple was extra ripe, so I just cut straight down to get any overripe pieces out the way, but you could use your knife to finesse it more in a curved way to save the flesh instead of throwing it away with the peel, but whatever, it works and it's delicious. So you just cut the squares off and then just cut them into spheres. It's pretty much that simple. You'll know your pineapple is ripe if you could smell the smell before you even cut it. That's what you want to look for in the grocery store. Smell the bottom of your pineapple. And here are our beautiful spears, and here are our pineapple rings. So we're going to cook these in the air fryer. Now I'm going to cook them at 380 degrees, but the amount of time it takes really depends on how thick your slices are. So don't do them too thin. Cook them for about 7 minutes, and I'm going to drizzle honey on these. You could use maple syrup. You could sprinkle some cinnamon. You could even leave all the sweeteners off and just air fry them plain. They're even delicious that way. So after you cook them for about 6 or 7 minutes, you could flip it over and you'll really know if it's done by the color, if the sugars and the fruit and honey have caramelized, and the aroma will be so intense in your kitchen. It will smell delicious. Look at that, y'all. Looks like it's been on the grill, but it's just been in my air fryer for a few minutes at 380 degrees. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me get to 500 subscribers.